This is our 73 Mercury Cougar convertible. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around. We'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes, and then there'll be some clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So we purchased the car here locally from the gentleman in Illinois. This is a 73,000 mile car. It has been resprayed, but it is the very rare original color of medium aqua. It's actually one of only 7 73 Cougar convertibles in medium aqua over black. Excellent colorway, really needs to be seen in person to be appreciated, but it's pretty striking. Really nice, straight, clean, dry body. You'll see again the cosmetic blemishes coming up in a little bit. There's a couple little bubbles to be aware of, but nothing really too significant. The convertible top is black, it is powered, and it is functional and in great shape. The polished surfaces, like the chrome bumpers, are free of any oxidation whatsoever. The glass and light lenses are all clear and crack-free, and the light and signals are all functional. Paint was done to a high standard. It looks really nice. No visible run or dust underneath the paint, nothing like that. The panel fitment's excellent. The doors open and close nice and smooth. You don't have to slam them. Wheels are in great shape. No curb rash or oxidation on those hubcaps. The Michelin MX4 all seasons. DOT number ends in 01. And they're in great shape. No dryness or excessive wear at all. Car runs and drives extremely well. It's got relatively new shocks on it. Lots of recent bushings. Poking underneath the car was a pleasant surprise. No bits of dry rubber, certainly no neglect. Now here are all the cosmetic blemishes. See, the front end is really clean. Just in that Cougar, symbol, you can see a little bit of cracking. And now if you get down really low, you can see the corners are really nice, but then as you go towards the rear corner of the driver door, you'll see a couple little bubbles at the corner. And then a small scuff along the driver door crease. And then again, just getting down low and looking at all the typical rust spots there. Looks really good around back. Again, you can see close up there, no oxidation on the bumpers. Condition is pretty consistent throughout. Now if you get down to the passenger side, you can see a tiny little bit of bubbling there, bottom of the rear quarter. And then as you follow the bottom of the door crease along, you see a couple more little tiny bubbles. Overall, very much a show-worthy car. Now look at the interior. Door panels are nice. You can tell where the driver's elbow would sit. There's been a little bit of a repair on the door panel. But the dash top is excellent with no cracks. There is a small hairline crack above the right corner of the glove box, which you'll see, though it's obviously not all that significant. Right there, you'll see it on the top right. Factory AM radio is functional, as is the CB. The blower motor is good, heat is good. This car does not have air conditioning. Gauge faces, you can tell they're not cloudy or anything like that. Odometer reading of 73 and change is believed accurate. It is functional. Carpet is very nice throughout, and the Cougar floor mats are appropriate. Now the black vinyl buckets are in great shape. Must have been reupholstered at some point because even the driver's outer bolster really doesn't show anything for wear. There's one tiny little stain-like marking on the driver's seat bottom, but again, pretty insignificant. The car does have seat belts in both the front and rear. They're lap belts only. Windows track nicely, roll up and down with ease. Top fits perfectly and is in excellent shape.